Welcome to this tutorial on how to use Moomoo Cash Coupon. Moomoo is a popular trading platform that offers cash coupons to its users as a promotional offer. These coupons can be used to offset trading fees and other expenses on the platform. To start using Moomoo Cash Coupon, you need to first log into your Moomoo account. If you do not have an account, you can sign up for one on the Moomoo website or mobile app. Once you are logged in, click on the Account section and look for the Cash Coupon option. In this section, you will see a list of available cash coupons that you can use. Each coupon will have a specific value and expiration date. Make sure to check the terms and conditions of each coupon before using it. To use a cash coupon, simply click on the Use button next to the coupon. You will then be prompted to confirm that you want to use the coupon. Once you confirm, the coupon will be applied to your account and you can use it to offset trading fees and other expenses. It is worth noting that Moomoo cash coupons can only be used for specific types of trades, such as buying and selling stocks or options. They cannot be used for other types of trades, such as futures or forex. Additionally, cash coupons may have certain restrictions, such as minimum trade requirements or expiration dates. To get the most out of Moomoo cash coupons, it is a good idea to plan your trades carefully and use the coupons strategically. For example, you can use a cash coupon to offset the fees associated with a large trade. Or you can use multiple coupons to reduce the overall cost of a series of trades. Moomoo also offers a variety of other promotions and discounts, such as commission-free trades and bonus rewards. These promotions can be used in conjunction with cash coupons to maximize your savings and get the most out of the platform. In conclusion, using Moomoo Cash Coupon is a straightforward process that can help you save money on trading fees and other expenses. By following the steps outlined in this tutorial and using the coupons strategically, you can get the most out of the Moomoo platform and achieve your investment goals.